So friends, welcome back to another video here on my channel, Healthy Rain. I just wanted to quickly jump on here and share something I do to help me with my anxiety and stress levels, and it's just something so simple as sketching whilst doing one of my favourite pastimes, which is watching YouTube videos. So the majority of the content that I watch on YouTube, not all of it, but majority of it is spiritual and tarot content or witchy content. So what I like to do is draw or sketch out. Sometimes I paint, but it's very rare. But I like to draw sort of life drawing style while I'm watching people. So I pretty much draw people that I watch on YouTube. So I thought it would be fun to like just share a few of my sketches with you. It's like a little project in a way I've had going now for over a year, and I don't do it all the time. Obviously, it's just when I have time and when I really feel like I want to de-stress and decrease my anxiety mostly. So all I need to do this is a sketchbook is ideal really. It's the best sort of paper to sketch on, obviously. Some pencils, but really you just need one pencil, that's fine, and a rubber eraser, I think you call it in America, and a pencil sharpener. I'm not some big artist or anything. I didn't go to art school or nothing like that. I'm also left-handed, so please forgive that majority of my sketches are smudged, and that's because of being a lefty. That's just the life of a lefty. But you know, Leonardo da Vinci was a lefty apparently, so anyways, I will turn the camera around and I will show you some of my sketches. So this is where it all began. This was actually a channel that don't post anymore, I believe. Some twin flame channel or something, and they would post these really long discussion, very boring to be honest, videos of them just discussing their relationships and their opinions and stuff. It would often be like arguing and things. That's why they look quite stressed and fed up. And I coloured this one in with watercolours. So yeah, that was where it all started, and then I just sort of carried on from there. And the reason that it started here was because, like I said, their videos were so long. And I think I only have one more of these in this book. Yeah, because the rest is all tarot. So then this was another one that I painted, and this is Mother Moon. So I've mentioned her in my favourite channels video, and I don't know if you can see. I'm going to change the angle here. So this one is Mother Moon, and again I coloured it in with watercolours. And I know it's not amazing, like I'm not trying to say I'm an artist, it's just I thought I would share. Okay, so here's another one that again, majority are not coloured in, so I'm just starting out with the ones that are coloured in. Most of them are just sketches. This is one of my favourite sort of, I guess you can say, teachers or spiritual teachers or whatnot. He's called Franco de Nicola, and I've mentioned him before in past vlogs and stuff, but yeah, he's great. It's just him giving a talk. This one, this is Samantha Menzo, and again I coloured that in with watercolour. And this is just pretty much how most of the images look. It's just that YouTube image of them, and I mostly watch people talking to the camera, so they often look this sort of style, but sketches. And this one I coloured in with watercolour. That's quite cute, and she's also one of my faves. So this is Lisa from Supported Tarot, or I think she's changed her channel name now. Yeah, this is Lisa. So, and I'm doing it in order of which I drew them, to be honest. And this is spread over the year, over a time period of a year. So it's not like this has been a constant project. It's really just something I do to pass the time and, like I said, to distress sometimes. This one is, I don't know, I'm not a fan of this one. This was just Aphrodite. He's a tarot reader on YouTube. I also draw a lot of cards that I pull as well. This is Summer from Astaria Sen. Everyone's pretty much my favourites. I wouldn't be watching them, would I, in the first place? This is, I don't know if you can tell, that is Katie Flowers. I don't know if people can tell who these are, you know. This is Skylar Hayes on the podcast Speaking of Which. This is Divination, so D from Divination. This is Joe Martino from Collective Evolution, a sort of spiritual channel. And I also drew Arjun from Collective Evolution as well. This is Kelly Maddox. And I know they're not amazing and particularly even look like the people, but this is Casper from Boy Divine. This is Vivi from the Sunshine Mystic. This is Alyssa from Divine Venus, an astrology channel. And this is the last of the YouTube series that I've been drawing, and obviously I'm going to continue it. This is Gigi Young, another spiritual teacher here on YouTube. Yeah, so the main point of this is that it's really fun to actually draw people live, like while they're moving, not just while they're sitting still, you know? So you really, it's just a different kind of way to draw than drawing straight from an image, you know, because you see I often draw tarot cards. See, I do draw from still images and stuff, but it is just fun, you know, to draw from videos. I do enjoy that, because it's like they're moving and you're not drawing just from the same you're not just copying an image. So I don't know, I just like to look at people as well. So, and then I like to draw my little baby boy when he's sleeping. Oh, my feet. Self-portrait. And yeah, so pretty much there we have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed me just showing you what I've been drawing, my little YouTube series. I will continue to add to it. Let me know if you enjoyed this, if it's something I'm worth continuing to share with you or not. I don't know, but yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you're having a magical day. Bye.